Hello guys! Andito kay Master, mangungutang ako ng bigas. Wala akong masain. Master, nasa na? Master, kailangan ko ng bigas, ng ng asukal, tsaka ng juice, gano'n.
Ano ba yon? Ano ba yon?
Eh, kailangan ko ng butter. Hindi ako bibigyan ni Lebron kung
Tapos
walang
na ba?
papel. Oo.
Anong outlet? Colonnade?
Colonnade po.
Kahapon pa ito ah.
Huh?
Butterroll?
Butter po, tsaka po concentrate. Kasi wala na. Tsaka bagels.
Ayun, ito nga
Meron
yun.
ka?
Meron.
Yan.
Yung concentrate na juice, pang crew lang ang meron tayo.
Ay, okay lang, Master. Wala naman kaming choice kasi wala na tayong orange.
Oh, meron naman fresh, wala na no?
Wala na tayong fresh.
Pero meron dyan yung litro na hindi frozen.
Ay,
Baka pwede yun.
sabihin ko sa kanya.
Oh, say hi ah.
Hello po.
Ganda ng lugar doon, no? Yan. Alright. So, ito yung Amazon River. Lawak, di ba? Lawak ng ilog, ano? Yan yung isa sa mga city dito. Dilim.
Garbage bin. Because it's very thin.
Did we spend a lot of money?
How much you paid for these local glasses, senor?
Ha?
Yeah.
So, exercise tayo kasi may nag-aantay pagkain sa kabina. Kain pagkatapos ito.
Morning, sir. Morning.
Good morning.
One pipe.
Yung time in ka na. Ha?
Sir, hindi pa.
Kain ka muna. Charge mo sa akin.
Yung ano mo. Transfer ba?
Yung bright P-card.
Ganyan na yung ano ko ngayon. Ganyan na oh. Dati ganyan.
Wala na, aminin na natin, tumatanda na tayo. Ganun na lang yun eh. Wag ka na kasing in denial pa na magsuot ng salamin.
Angin. Masagwa tignan.
It says. Yeah. You know the fish, huh?
Yes! Special.
Wow. So we have guava, mango,
Hello,
bananas,
can you call
pineapples, dragon
the
fruit.
main galley and request Mr. Jaime to come?
Where are we going, chef?
My best. Jaime is coming.
Who's Jaime? This
My
is
friend,
video, ah.
Jaime is my best one.
This is video, not picture.
Why you want video?
Yeah,
You want to put in TikTok?
of course.
You want to make me famous in TikTok? I'll come. Take
You're already
picture
famous, huh?
better. Takes picture better. I can remove some
So we're going shopping.
some white hair and
Shopping
the
with the chef.
Photoshop.
All right. We are in is this Santarem? Okay. Make sure.
You guys maybe want to just try.
Yeah, because you are too heavy. You are too heavy. Let's go.
Just
My
to
goodness.
stay dry, both of you.
So we're balanced, no? All right.
Not balanced, really slightly unbalanced.
See, Rapsisa. My goodness.
This guy is too old already.
Guys, this is Seaborn. Quiet, chef. I'm talking. I'm vlogging, you know. Quiet, chef. Guys, this is Seaborn Venture. The ultra luxury expedition ship. All right, the best in the world. Now you can talk, chef. So we're bunkering also. Where's the provisions? That belongs to us.
Okay.
No, that's not ours. Welcome to Santarem. Aviso, prohibido pescar. What is that? Aviso is like notice, right? Yeah.
Fishing forbidden.
YouTube channel. Well, it's different color of water here. It's a different color of water here as well.
Ah, because it's shallow.
My friends,
Ah,
don't
okay.
disturb. You're confused, don't disturb.
Oh, thanks for bringing the cooler guy.
All right, nice boats. Are we going to stay here or we help them?
Vlog yarn.
Pangilang ikot mo na yan.
Wala.
Kawawa naman ano. Wasak-wasak na yung t-shirt. Hanggang tingin na lang tayo nito. Hanggang tingin na lang. Pero bukas, tandaan nyo, ginataang kalabasa yung ulam dito. Kaya nga. Ginataang kalabasa. Corn got talent or what? Seacorn got talent.
Back to back.
May. Wow. Urina, meron ka ba dyan? Ha? Ay, ay, ay. Ano na?
Ito po, para kay Sir Lebron. Ano, kopya ng menu namin.
Oo nga. Oh, say hi ka muna dito sa aking...
Vlog yan.
Oo.
Hi, Master! Good morning!
So, anong gawin ko dito?
Pakibigay lang po sa kanya. Thank you!
That's it?
Yes!
Ang kupas! Oh! Baka di pwede to. Doon sa kabila. Yun! Pasok pa rin! Gusto! Ubus yan. Siyempre, batteries. Wow. Chicken, quesadillas. Habang gumagawa ng order. Sabay tea. Sabay kinig kay Kenny Rogers. Di ba? Yan, paperwork. Best. Kakatapos ko ng lunch kaso may nagatid. Diba? Para naman ano, diba? Tanggapin mo na lang. Binuram mo na. Kawakan ko muna. Ayun. Jesus. Nice. Tea lang ako. Tea. Ito may pahitas oh. Pahitas. Ito, dami mo.
Okay na?
Ito walang pangalan oh. Pahitas. Chicken.
Nilagay?
Ano? Ito.
Baka lang yata yan.
Ito? Pahitas? So, welcome to Salvador de Bahia. Brazil pa rin tayo, guys. So, nasa Puerto pa. Puerto lang tayo. So, ganito yung tsura dito. Mga tao sa baba. Yan. Alright. So, ito yung crew area dito. Open deck. Okidoki. Lumang-lumang city na rin to kung titingnan mo eh. So I'm going to have dinner tonight here. So which table do I have to sit down? Which table? There?
Sit by the window, no? Nice.
Window, huh? But it's only me.
Only you?
Yeah.
And sit near to the cellar.
Okay then. You have Petrus?
No Petrus here.
Petrus Pumerol, no? My goodness, why not?
Other Pomerol.
Chatu Batayi, yes. Kamos na. Champagne. Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman. Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Nag-aantay nga ako master nung butter tsaka nung orange concentrate. Hello guys! Andito kay master, mangungutang ako ng bigas. Wala akong masain. Master, nasa na? Master, kailangan ko ng bigas, ng ng asukal, tsaka ng juice, gano'n.
Ano ba yon? Ano ba yon?
Eh, kailangan ko nga ng butter. Hindi ako bibigyan ni Lebron pag
Approve
walang
na ba?
papel. Oo.
Anong outlet? Colonnade?
Colonnade po.
Kahapon pa ito ah.
Huh?
Butter roll?
Butter po, tsaka po concentrate. Kasi wala na. Tsaka bagels.
Ayun, ito
Meron
nga yun.
ka?
Meron.
Yan.
Yung concentrate na juice, pang crew lang ang meron tayo.
Ay, okay lang, master. Wala naman kaming choice kasi wala na tayong orange.
Oh, meron naman fresh, wala na no?
Wala na tayong fresh.
Pero meron dyan yung litro na hindi frozen.
Ay,
Baka pwede yun.
sabihin ko sa kanya.
Oh, say hi ah.
Hello po.
Yun lang.
Opo, anong gusto mong sabihin ko dyan, ha?
Sabihin mo yung vital statistics.
Wag na, never mind. Kasi hindi pasok sa standard, nakakahiya. Kasi tingnan mo yung braso ko nga, ay pang lalaki yan, pang buhatan yan.
Oh, naantay na yung requisition mo doon, no?
Ay, ito na nga eh, kukunin ko na nga. Ito na, thank you!
Okay.
Ayan na.
Don't look at your face there.
We're gonna be online.
Yeah. Only cappuccino, no vanilla, no? I'll pay for it, huh? I'll pay for it. It's on me.
It's in mine, but I don't have a finish list and I don't have So you have to put, remove the one spot.
Oh, where's me? Merci beaucoup.
There's coffee in town, let's go. But drama is with these prices, forget it, no?
Yeah, of course. Cappuccino, man. Sugar free.
A lot already of coffee shops in the Philippines.
Downstairs, no? You know how you hear this in my office? Full blast, no boom, boom, boom. Everything, yeah. Full blast, that's what I want to see, no? How it is. And then I had one drink. Oscar was there in counter, he gave me one gin tonic. No, now they remove this cover, no? Was covered before.
Was that covered before?
Remember? Because of the...